Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check all image which you have generated in ChatGPT in one place. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply go to the App Store, and here in the search bar what you need to do is simply type ChatGPT. Once you type ChatGPT, simply tap on it, and here you will see it is updated to the latest version. If it is not, then update it to the latest version. But once it is updated, simply tap on the open button. A menu will appear. Here what you need to do is simply tap on the two white lines in the top left corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on the library option, which is the second option, and here you will be able to see all of the images which you have generated. So yeah, that's how you can check your generation. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.